What is going on, guys? This is Titan, at&t, if you're only following me on social media and not within our Discord group. In this video, I'm going to go over crypto that I am investing in or I've already invested in and I've alerted our members to invest in. I think it's a great concept. We're going to go over the gameplay. We're going to go over why you should invest into it. We're going to go over a lot of things, and we're going to go over how you can get paid to play this. Okay, it is a video game. Okay, it is a crypto NFT / game. Okay, so let's go over it. If you like this content, if you want me to go over more of this content, I think this is a fun type of video. I think I want to do more of these. Hit that subscribe button, comment your thoughts below, and without further ado, let's get right to it. Okay, so if you haven't figured out by now, the crypto is Mines of Delarnia. It's right here. It's in big stupid letters. It's right here. Okay, but Mines of Delarnia, that's exactly what it's called. So search it up. You can find this crypto on crypto.com. You can find it on Binance. You can find it on KuCoin. It's everywhere. Okay, but you can't. I know a lot of people started off with Coinbase. It is not on Coinbase. So this is why it's good to have multiple crypto platforms. As tedious and frustrating that may be, have multiple crypto platforms. That way you can you have more variety. Okay, you have more options. Okay, so let's get right to it. So as you guys can see, it's Mines of Delarnia, of course. And basically what Mines of Delarnia is an action-adventure game. Players mine and combine various in-game items, improving their skills and gear to unlock the MOD universe's secrets while fighting enemies and searching for rare relics and artifacts. Now, before we get into that, let's go over the price of Mines of Delarnia. So, Mines of Delarnia is only $1.23 per coin. So if you want to invest into it, it is very cheap right now. Very, very cheap. We have a market cap of 152,000 and we have a circulating supply of 123,000. Now, if this sounds like gibberish to you, I won't go into super detailed video or anything like that. Maybe in the future. All you're doing is you're multiplying the circulating supply by the current price. So 123,000 times $1.23, and then you'll get your market cap. Okay. We'll go over what all that means in the future, but that would be too long, and this isn't so much of an educational video. It's more so like, hey, here's my opinion. Okay, as you guys can see, Mines of Delarnia has been at a slow decline. Now, before you freak out and you're like, why are you telling us to invest into a coin that's plummeting? All the crypto is plummeting, okay? Only because Bitcoin is falling, okay? So if you don't know, when Bitcoin goes down, majority of the crypto sector falls down. When Bitcoin goes up, majority of the crypto sector goes up. Same with Ethereum, okay? So there's not bad investments. There's not terrible investments. You're investing into the company. You're investing into their future. And their future has absolutely nothing to do with Bitcoin, okay? Overall, okay? Their business, their aspects, things like that have nothing to do with Bitcoin. So you're investing into that particular company, not so much into Bitcoin, okay? So if Bitcoin drops, which I believe Bitcoin is probably just going to see 39K, 40K, 39K. I don't see it going any lower than that. We will need some absolutely insane crazy news for Bitcoin to break below 39K, and I just don't see that happening right now. And if it does, it would take some very strong news. Okay, so as far as Mines of Delarnia go, I'm really hoping that we see $1. I really want to see $1 range, maybe $1.10 at minimum. Well, not minimum, but $1.10, and then maybe $1 minimum to see. If we don't get that, that's fine. As of now, don't wait on that price, guys. Do not wait on that price. This is a very cheap price to get in. If it goes lower, then, average in, okay? Buy the dip, all right? So buy the dip. So if you want to dibble and dabble in it, put a little bit in right now. And then maybe, in the future, if it drops more, maybe down to that $1 range, $1.10, then, invest more. Again, but I'm not a financial advisor. What you do with your money is completely up to you. What you invest in is completely up to you. And when you invest is completely up to you. It's all your responsibility. I'm just here for, opinionated, educational purposes, all that, okay? So $1.23, you will actually be getting in at a much better price than we did. I plan on averaging in if it drops below at least 115. Okay, between 115, 110. If it goes down to $1, I don't see it going below $1. That's too strong of a psychological level, too strong of support. And as you guys can see, chart wise, we have a head and shoulders pattern, strong head and shoulders pattern, and then we have this double top here, and then it eventually broke the neckline. So 1, 2, double top, and then it broke the neckline. So I'm hoping to get that dollar. That would be great. That would be a very nice discount to get this at. But if we don't get it and it just goes up from here, that's perfectly fine as well. It's a win-win situation for me. Okay, so that's how you got to look at it when you're investing. You got to look at these things like discounts. Okay, you can't look at things like a loss, or you see red and you freaking out and things like that. You have to look at these as a discount and be like, hey, I can get this at a cheaper price. Okay, that's how you look at it. All right, so enough of that. I know everybody's not chart savvy and things like that, so we're going to go over to the website. All right, so this is a very dope concept. Mines of Delania, it gives me that Minecraft vibe, but it looks completely different. Okay, so we're gonna look at some of the gameplay real quick. Hopefully this plays well. I'm gonna mute it because I don't want to get copyrighted, just in case. I don't know where the music came from. I don't know if the music is free, but yeah. So it's gonna be like awkward to watch this with no music. But hopefully you enjoyed the music from my YouTube video. I hope that works out. But overall, I'm going to go over some things you can do. So basically, you can mine, you can mine for equipment. You can mine for relics, artifacts, things like that. Upgrade your character and things like that. You can also, which is one of the greatest things to do on here, is that you can rent out land. And then people who want to mine on your land, they have to pay you in order to mine on your property. So that's dope. So if you have like some rare item or some rare items or just rare, maybe diamonds or something like that on your property, people that want that, they have to rent out your land or rent out your property and to mine on it. So that's really dope. Okay, so how they pay you is they pay you with DAR, which is Mines of Delania crypto. They pay you in DAR. And yeah, and then you can do whatever you want with that DAR. You can cash it out for real money, put it in your bank maybe. You can buy better equipment and things like that. You can do all types of things with it. And as you guys can see, really fast-paced gameplay. He's just zooming through it. This is probably one of the developers playing, so they just know exactly what they're doing. But really dope concept. And let's say you own this particular land right here. They're paying you rent to, mine on your land. So that's really dope. I really like that concept. I hope you guys like it. Here's some pictures on the gameplay. Alright, so you get the idea. Okay, so into the mine, delve into unknown dark mine, collect minerals and use them to upgrade the character through mining, equipment, and character attributes, action and adventure, blending combat, and dungeon crawling mines of Delania delivers a that's a weird sentence. Delivers a fresh new entry to the genre. Okay, manage and earn. Delania is abundant with resources for explorers and investors to discover and capture. Worlds, you got Darkness World, you got the Ice World, you got Lava World, you got Terror World. It's really cool. Okay, all the items and actions are registered onto the blockchain with decentralized governance. Collect rare minerals, upgrade your equipment, compete, and win rewards. So this is what I was talking about while we were watching like the gameplay. So what you can do, which I didn't know before, is that you can stake your DAR for oxygen and level ups. Okay, so I'm always telling my members, stake your coins, but here you get rewarded for staking your coins, not only by earning more DAR, but you also earn in-game rewards such as oxygen and levels up. So that's really cool. Okay, so you earn, not only are you earning interest off your coins that you stake, but now you're earning in-game play items. So that's dope. Okay, in-game play features. Okay, mine resources, collect tax. So landowners earn DAR through staking and tournaments, earn DAR and rent and spend in marketplace for better equipment. So again, like I said, you can buy land and you can earn rent. People have to rent out your land if they want to mine on it, so that's a really dope concept. And of course, and then it says spend in marketplace for better equipment. They're promoting the game, but in reality, you can cash out the DAR and all that. Let's be real, a lot of you are here just to make more money, and that's cool. But if you're a gamer like myself and you are very competitive and things like that, this is something that you definitely want to implement. This is something you definitely want to check out. It's really dope. Okay, so let's look at their roadmap. So we're going back to 2021. During that alpha phase, daily login rewards, player reward system in game marketplace, alpha. This was April 2021. Game engine migration, new terrain release, and Delarnia map release. Initial land sales, prototype, and system development. Now we're in 2022, January 2022. Planetary storyline release, decentralized governance module, player tournament, February 2022. Additional gameplay with planetary storyline, social features, and in-game chat. Mobile game release, NFT-based derivatives on in-game assets, side quest releases with token rewards. So by March 2022, they're gonna have a mobile release, or at least we're looking forward to that mobile release. I'm actually looking forward to that because I do a lot of things, and I will be looking forward to this mobile game release. I mean, imagine just earning money while you're playing a mobile game, okay, or earning crypto while playing a mobile game. And they already have concepts like that out there. They already have games like that out there. But this particular game, I'm definitely interested in. Okay, so that's really dope concept. I really like this. It's really cool. So you don't have to be in it for the gameplay. You don't have to be, but if you want to maximize your income off Mines of Delarnia, if you want to just maximize everything, definitely consider playing the game. Definitely look into getting into the game. Let's look at land sale. Yeah, I figured this was going to happen. So it was asking me to connect my MetaMask wallet. I'm not going to connect it because I don't know what all they're going to ask for, like passwords and what all they're going to show. So I'm not going to ask for, so I'm not going to do that. But essentially you can buy, I'm assuming you can buy land here, past lotteries. Let's look at this. Lottery staking. Man, so these are all the coins you can stake. That's pretty dope. You got winners who, so I guess you can do a lottery. I haven't done this. I'm assuming you got to connect your wallet as well. So this is really, man, this is crazy. Okay, really crazy. So definitely check this out, guys. All right, so let's go back. Okay, there we go. That was weird. But otherwise, I hope you guys like this. I would do some gameplay. I tried, but it takes forever to load while I'm recording for whatever reason. So I guess I need a new computer, even though this is a gaming computer. So I don't, so whatever. But otherwise, gameplay, features. Okay, so this just takes you all the way down. Support. Nothing happened there. Mining Apes collection. So they have their own, looks like they have their own NFTs. Okay, so Mines of Dawn is issuing the Mining Apes collection for the early explorers on planet blah blah blah. Mining Apes are 10,000 NFTs on Ethereum blockchain that are generated. What can you do with Mining Apes? View on OpenSea. So they have their own NFTs. This is crazy. Okay, so they have a lot going on, guys. So I really like this project. Again, you are investing into the project. You are investing into its future. That's what you're investing in. You're not worried about what Bitcoin and everything else is doing. You're investing into the future of this project. Okay, and I really like this project. I hope you like this project. I hope you at least try it out. And if you're just in it to invest, you're not really much of a gamer or anything, that's perfectly fine too. Again, it's very cheap. It's only $1.23 right now. So if you want to dibble, put a little money in, invest a little bit, and obviously the more you put in, as it goes up, the more you get back. Okay, and if you want to wait on that potential keyword potential, a potential dollar mark, or around that $1.10 mark, then you can do that as well, or you can just watch it, okay, and see how it turns out. But otherwise, really dope project. I hope you guys like this video. If you want me to do more content like this, hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, comment your thoughts below, and I think I went over everything. So until the next video, guys, see you next time. Peace.